Hey guys! Are you looking for the best automatic folding umbrella? This video is for you. Through extensive research and testing, we've put together a list that will meet the needs of different types of buyers and help you choose which one is best for you. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get starting at number 5. Hukami Inverted Umbrella. First things first, let's talk about style and safety. This umbrella is a game changer. Just look at those reflective stripes they wrap around the entire canopy, giving you 360 degrees of high visibility. Even in low light and rainy conditions, these stripes light up like magic, alerting cars and vehicles to your presence. That means extra safety for you, your kids, pedestrians, and commuters. No more worries when you're out and about in the dark and rain. But wait, there's more. Check out this innovative inverted design. When you close it, the wet surface stays on the inside, keeping you dry in your clothes, floor, and car water-free. No more messy drips when you enter your car or step indoors. It's like a magic trick for staying dry. Now, let's talk about durability and sturdiness. This inverted umbrella is no ordinary umbrella. It's built to last with 10 strong ribs made of premium fiberglass and high-quality stainless steel. Rust, not a chance. This umbrella can effortlessly stand up to powerful gusts and heavy downpours. And after a heavy rain, a gentle shake is all it takes to rid those pesky water droplets. Now, let's talk convenience. This umbrella is your perfect partner on a rainy day. It's fully automated, making it a one-handed wonder. Just press the button, and voila! Open or close it in seconds, no fuss, no hassle. It's so compact, you won't even notice it in your bag. And speaking of bags, this umbrella is super compact and portable. It's an upgrade from those old, bulky umbrellas. It easily fits into your car, briefcases, backpacks, travel bags, you name it. Perfect for travel, business, camping, fishing, and daily use. It's a must-have for both men and ladies. Number 4. Hukami 200,020 Umbrella. First things first, let's take a look at this beauty. Just look at the sleek design, and those 8 ribs. Not only do they provide extra stability, but they also give this umbrella a classy edge. Made from a combination of glass fiber and aluminum alloy, this umbrella is not just a fashion statement but also built to last. The umbrella cloth is crafted from pongee with a black coating, giving it a luxurious feel while providing superior protection against the elements. Now, here's where it gets interesting. When fully spread, it boasts a generous width of 105 centimeters and a height of 65 centimeters. But wait for it when you fold it, it's only 30 centimeters long. That's compact enough to fit in your briefcase or purse, making it the perfect companion for your business meetings or casual outings. And let's talk about weight: a mere 460 grams. That's lighter than your smartphone, folks. You won't even notice it's there until you need it. Now, let's put this beauty to the test. It's a blustery day, but as you can see, the luxurious business umbrella is holding up effortlessly against the wind. You won't have to worry about those embarrassing umbrella mishaps anymore. Take a look at the innovative red fiber skeleton. It's not just sturdy but adds a pop of color to your rainy days. It's all about the details, right? And here's another clever feature: the silicone handle. It's not only comfortable to grip but also provides a non-slip hold. No more slippery handles when you're dashing through the rain. So, there you have it, the luxurious fully automatic business umbrella. Stylish, compact, lightweight, and built to withstand the elements, it's the ultimate companion for the modern professional. Don't miss out on this game changer. The link to purchase is in the description below. Number 3. Feviev Umbrella. The reverse umbrella is not your ordinary umbrella. It's a game changer. Why, you ask? Because when you close this umbrella, the wet part stays inside, preventing those annoying drips and keeping your car and floors dry. It's a simple yet ingenious solution. But wait, there's more. Ever been out at night, struggling to see where you're going in the rain? Fear no more. Our reverse umbrella comes equipped with LED lights that light up your path, ensuring your safety and preventing injuries. Nighttime just got a whole lot brighter. Now, here's the real game changer. No more fumbling with your umbrella, especially during heavy rain. Our umbrella features an innovative one-click open/close mechanism. Yes, you heard that right, one click. Just press the button on the handle, and voila! Instant protection from the rain. Safety first, right? We've got you covered. Our reverse umbrella is designed with highlight reflective strips on the canopy edge, providing you with 360 degrees of high visibility. It ensures that drivers, bicyclists, and pedestrians can see you even in low light and rainy conditions. Stay safe out there. Worry about your umbrella collapsing in strong winds. Don't be. Our umbrellas are built to withstand the toughest conditions. With 10 reinforced aluminum bones, they are flexible, strong, and rust-free. These umbrellas won't break, and they'll keep you dry and powerful in any weather. In a hurry to get in or out of your car during heavy rain, we've got your back. Thanks to the high-tension spring in the ribs, our umbrella opens and closes faster and smoother than regular umbrellas. Stay dry, stay elegant, that's the reverse umbrella promise. And last but not least, size matters. Our reverse umbrella boasts a generous 106 cm canopy, big enough to keep 2 people dry and cozy. But here's the kicker, it's also incredibly portable. Collapsible to just 6 cm in length and weighing only 0.4 kg, it's the perfect travel companion. Number 2. Emaka Umbrella. Emaka, the revolutionary umbrella that's about to change the way you face the rain, the 1-second wonder umbrella. Let's start with the magic of one-handed operation. With its built-in mechanical elastic structure, you can effortlessly open this umbrella with just one hand. No more juggling bags, keys, and umbrellas. It's time for a real liberation of your hands. But that's not all. Check out this creative buckle design at the handle's tail. With one simple press, you can easily hang it on your handbag, backpack, or belt. It's so convenient, you'll wonder how you ever got by without it. Worried about raindrops and wet floors? Not with our 1-second wonder umbrella. Thanks to its lotus leaf water repellent technology and high-density water repellent coating, you'll stay dry as a bone. No more messy cleanups or soggy car seats. And speaking of cars, our umbrella even doubles as a parking shade. Its classic fashion colors make it look stylish while keeping your car cool and protected on hot summer days. But wait, there's more! With an oversized umbrella surface spanning 125 km in diameter, you can enjoy the rain with friends. It covers 3-4 people 360 degrees at the same time. Say goodbye to crowded and wet commutes. Rain or shine, the 1-second wonder umbrella has got you covered. Don't miss out on this incredible blend of style and functionality. Get yours today and make every rainy day an adventure. Number 1. Moral Life Emru 24 Umbrella. The classic home button opens and closes in just 1 second, automatically. That means you can free up your hands in an instant, making it super efficient and convenient. But wait, there's more. How about a device that charges for just 1 hour and stands by for a mind-blowing 100 days? Yes, you heard that right. Thanks to the large brand Intelligent, a 900 fast-charging chip and cutting-edge lithium battery technology, you can count on an incredible 100 days of strong standby. No more constant charging hassles. You know what they say, it's all in the details. And when it comes to this product, quality is at the forefront. Every component, from the LED spotlights to the electronic chips, from lithium battery production to the port data cables, is meticulously chosen by a reputable brand. It's a tribute to ingenuity and quality craftsmanship. Now, let's talk about durability. We've all had our umbrellas turn inside out in a storm, right? Not anymore. This storm umbrella features an alloy skeleton with a steel channel-style bone-wrapped honeycomb design. It's built to withstand continuous strong winds, so you can stay dry even in the worst weather. And speaking of staying dry, this umbrella takes protection to a whole new level. We've enlarged the umbrella surface to a generous 15 km Pro-style large umbrella surface. That means you get all-round protection, and you can even share it with a friend. This umbrella boasts a waterproof and hydrophobic performance that exceeds level 5. With its high-density attack surface and Houston anti-splash coating, it's not just anti-seepage and leak-proof, but it dries with just one splash. Raindrops will be a thing of the past.